Hello friends, this is Cijin. Welcome to my YouTube channel Spexy Tech. So today we are going to do the first unboxing in our channel. So we have got Huawei's Honor Band 5, which is a smart band offered by Huawei. So let's go to the specs. So the Honor Band 5 has got a large AMOLED display screen. It has got stylish watch faces, also scientific sleep monitor with sleep stages which tracks our daily sleep, and it has got Huawei TrueSee 3.0 heart rate monitor. Also it is water resistant up to 50 meters, which has swim stroke recognition, and also it has got multi sport function like swimming, cycling, running, etc. Also it has got smart notifications such as calls, messages, and the battery backup is about 14 days per battery charge, and this is claimed by the company. So we have to use the product and know how much day does it last. And going to the pricing, in this box the MRP is written as 2,999 rupees, which is completely wrong, and I have got this product from Amazon for just 2,200 rupees, and it's a best deal to be said on Amazon. And I will be posting the link below the description to buy this product. And let's take a quick unboxing and see what's inside the box. We have some paperwork with a warranty card and also a quick start guide, and we will be getting a charging dock which is having a USB connector. And let me show you quickly how to charge. So take the watch, and behind the watch you can find two magnets for charging. So place the dock carefully and gently press it, and this is how we charge it. And coming to the build quality, it has a very thin and sleek design. And let's check the back side. And the back side we have got a heart rate sensor which works 24/7 continuously a day, and it has got the magnets for charging, and also the straps are being of very good material, like it's a rubberish material, very flexible, and also these straps can be replaceable with many other colors, and it's a very good build quality. Coming to the display quality, it has got a 240 by 120 pixel AMOLED display with 282 pixel per inch density, and it has got a 0.95 inch screen size, and also it is a touch screen. So the touch screen is very fast and very reliable compared to other smart bands which we have right now. And also the battery, which comes with 100 mAh, and also it lasts about 13 to 14 days, which is claimed by the company. And we have got different watch faces which we can change, like we do change the wallpaper in our mobile phones, and it's a cool feature. So let's check the inbuilt apps in the band. So we have got a smart footstep tracker, also we have got the heart rate monitor, we have got SpO2, sleeping tracker, settings, workout. We will come back to settings later. Workout. In workout we have like outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor walk, cycling, etc, etc. So many type of exercises, which makes this band a smart health band too. And coming back to the settings, in the settings we have timer, stopwatch, faces, find phone, like increase brightness, etc. And we can change the faces in the settings also, like, and we have got an inbox like we do in our smartphone. So let me show how to pair the smartband with our smartphones. All we have to need is Huawei Health app by Huawei, which is available in Google's Play Store as well as Apple's App Store. So as you can see, I have already installed the Huawei Health app. Now let's click open and go to the app. And I have already registered the app, so we can see like we have the food steps, walking weight and everything. And when we go to discover, we can see the fitness data, workout and training plans, etc. And let's go to the devices and click the plus button, select the smart band, and as we are using Huawei Honor Band 5, click Honor Band 4 and 5. So make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and we get a notification like Honor Band 5. Click on it and we will get a notification on our band. By clicking the tick mark, the device get paired and we have to give some permission. And we can see that the device is paired. And now let's go to the watch and we can see the Huawei's True Sleep. We can enable and disable it. Also the continuous heart rate monitoring, which we can enable as well as we can disable it. And let's go to function customization. We have the daily tracking, heart rate, sleep monitoring, workout, message sender, etc. We can just rearrange the pattern. And let's go to notifications. We can enable the notifications and also disable it. Also we can enable for particular apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. And we can get the Huawei bands update on firmware update option, and as you can see I don't have any updates, so let's keep the phone aside. And now let's check the heart rate monitor. So let me place it on my wrist, and the heart rate monitor takes approximately about 2 minutes to get the result. And as you can see I have got 82 BPM. And overall this is a very nice device for this price point, and it's very comfortable and it's very suitable for the bike riders, as it gets notified about the calls and messages during the bike ride. We don't have to stop to check our calls or messages. So overall it's a very good device for this price point, and it costs only about 2200 rupees. Hope you guys have enjoyed my video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you guys in the next video.